sometimes they follow you, sometimes they don't. So this one he's following me. There's 2 boys and 1 girl. Super duper cute. But no, they are not for sale. So this is them up here. They're playing around. Now there's that one over there. They're cute. And then there's 2 still playing. All 3 of them. And that's almost all we need to show you. There's super cute. That's Daisy. That's Roscoe. That's Daisy. And that one right there is. That's trying to this Daisy. They're all very good puppies. My favorite is Tucker.